how to programmatically add C# conditional formatting rules to Excel XLSX files in 1 minute. In this video, we'll learn how to set up various conditional formatting rules across a range of cells. First, ensure you have the document solutions for Excel ds.documents.excel NuGet package installed within your application's dependencies. After adding the appropriate using statements, create a new workbook and worksheet. Then, add and apply data to arrange in the worksheet with auto-fit formatting. Next, apply some conditional formatting rules to highlight the data differently. Some options include the average rule, cell value rule, data bar rule, expression rule, icon set rule, 3-color scale rule, top-bottom rule, 2-color scale rule, and the unique value rule. Lastly, save the workbook as a new Excel file and run the application. The generated Excel file features each rule applied to the corresponding column listed in the worksheet. Download a free trial today at developer.meshias.com.